welcome to KinderPrep. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. First of all, I want to explain what KinderPrep is. It is a program designed to teach both the parent and the child the skills that they need to enter kindergarten. These skills were told to us by teachers in both School District 91 and 93. So these are skills that the local teachers want your child to know when they enter kindergarten. We start every KinderPrep with a welcome song. And so I want you to join in and sing this song with me. It goes like this. Hello, everyone, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, everyone, and how are you today? Hello, everyone, and clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Hello, everyone, and clap your hands today. Can you stomp your feet? Hello, everyone, and stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Hello, everyone, and stomp your feet today. Hello, everyone, and sit right down. Sit right down. Sit right down. Hello, everyone, and sit right down today. Nice job. We'll sing that every week, so you'll be able to learn the words and do the actions with me. So the first skill that we're going to practice today is colors. The teachers have asked you to learn 11 colors to be able to identify them. So if I point to something, you'll be able to tell me what color it is. And also, if I said, you find something blue, you would be able to go and point to something. And so we're going to practice. So the first color we're going to do today is the color red. So you can look around my room, you can look around your house and see if you can find something red. Did you find something? I found a letter on my sign. Did you find something in your house? The next color is the color yellow. Are you looking around your house? Did you find something yellow? I found a letter on my board that's yellow. My next color is blue. Are you looking? I found blue on the wall. And my shirt is blue. Did you find something blue? Good job. I knew you could. So another skill that we're going to be working on every week are the letters of the alphabet. When we first learn the letters of the alphabet, we often start with the capital letters because they are easier to learn. They're more distinct in their shape. But you can learn both the capital and lowercase at the same time if you want. Another skill that they need to know is the sounds that the letter makes. They don't have to know all of the sounds when they begin kindergarten, but the teachers would like them to know that letters make sounds. So the first letter we're going to work on today is the letter A. This is the capital A. It starts at the top. It's a big stick down, jump to the top, big stick down, jump to the middle, little stick across. That's the capital A. The sound it makes is ah, like apple, ant, alligator. The capital A. You look on my board and see if you can find the letter A. Did you find something? Did you find the red letter A? And the yellow letter A? And the blue A? Did you find all the A's? The next letter we're working on is the letter B. It starts at the top. It's a big stick down. We jump to the top, little curve, little curve. That's the capital B. The sound it makes is B. like in boy, big, bike. Letter B. Look at my board. Can you find the letter B? I found one. And there's another B. Did you find this B? Nice job. And the last letter we're going to work on today is the letter C. To make the capital C, it's just a big curve. Start at the top, curve around. That's the letter C. The sound the C makes is like in cake, cup, cat. The letter C. Did you look at my board? Have you found all my C's? Did you find my yellow C? The red C? One more C. Did you find it? The orange C. Nice job. So we will practice our letters every single week because it is a very important skill to know. So each week I will have 5 activities for you to do at home that will go along with these skills and other skills that you'll need to know for kindergarten. These activities will be in the handout that we'll provide for you. This week, the first activity is our color train. So you'll print off the color trains and cut them into strips, and then you'll also print off the colored squares and cut them apart so that your child will be able to match the colors in the train and build their own train. As they're building this train, have them say the colors that they are putting into the train. The next activity is practicing the letter A, B, and C. When you do these activities, you need to make sure that you adjust them to your child. Every child is in a different place, and that's okay. So make sure that these activities are at the level your child's at. If they're just barely learning a concept, do the activity with them, telling them what they need to know. If they already know the concept, then have them do the activity by themselves. If it's really easy for them, then challenge them and make it harder and add some other skills so it'll be harder. So like with the spinner, after you've made the spinner, you can do the paper clip and bread, or you can just drop small objects on it. You'll go find a toy car or some kind of vehicle. You'll lay the ABC cards on the floor. You'll spin it, and whatever letter it is, they'll drive the car to that letter. If they are just barely learning the letters or haven't learned them at all yet, then tell them what the letter is, and then have them repeat that letter and drive the car to it. If they're just starting to learn, then have them just do the activity as explained. If they already know their letters, then challenge them by either having them do it with the lowercase letters or introduce the sounds for them. And so make sure you are adjusting these activities to where your child's at. The third activity we have planned for today is matching colors. And so you'll have the color cards, and you'll want to put all the color cards that are the same colors together. So did you find which cards should go together? Did you find the 2 red cards? So you'll put all the red cards together, and then you'll put all the yellow cards together and all the different colors. I have all 11 colors that you'll be able to match. After you have matched all the colors, then you might want to play a vocabulary game and look at the pictures and give them clues. So you might say, this is a piece of fruit. It is red. You always want to use the color words since we are practicing the skill about colors. It is juicy. It grows on a tree. You can make a pie with it, and give them clues until they can guess what picture you're talking about. The fourth activity we have planned for this week is learning the first name. The skill that the teachers have asked is that they are able to recognize their first name and write their first name. When you teach them how to write their first name, it's important that the first letter is the capital letter and the rest of the letters are lowercase. A lot of times when we teach them names, we do it all in capital letters, and then they have to relearn it when they go to kindergarten. So it's better if you just teach them in the first place, capital for the first letter, lowercase for the rest. And so the parent is going to write their name, the child's name, capital letter in the first square and one letter in each rectangle after that. Your child will need to cut the letters apart. Cutting is a skill that your child will need to have. And so starting with nice, simple lines is a good way to introduce cutting with scissors. So you'll just cut straight up the lines. You'll take it, fold that top rectangle back, put a piece of tape on it, and make a necklace that has your name on it. And the fifth activity will always be reading books. Reading is a very important skill that kindergartners need to have. Not them reading, but being able to listen to stories and being read to. And so always read books with your child. This week we are learning about colors and alphabet. So go find some alphabet or color books and read and talk about them and discuss the books with them. So those are the 5 activities. Also in your packet will be a handout that'll give you some other ideas that you can practice these skills. I'm so grateful that you came to KinderPrep today, and I hope you have a wonderful week.